Crewton Ramones, House of Math. We have lots of great stuff coming for you. I have lots of stuff coming for you here in the near future. I'll let you know what's going on. It's great. Lots of people want to join. All you got to do is pay me. So these are some of the people that are requesting to come on. Great. It looks like we're going to have two groups because I can't handle this many people at once. So far we have this many people in, so these guys, that's 8, and if I have 8 more, that's 16, and I only have room for 10 on the terminal. See, that's the thing. It's not location, it's terminal. So if, let's say, Shaylin has a big screen TV in her upstairs living room, she does, or the upstairs family room, and she hooks up her computer to it, and she has 3 different families paying, and she charges each one of them $100. Then she gets $50, or she can get up to $100 if she gets the $50 rebate, and that's fine. If she just wants to break even and charge $250 and split it 3 ways, fine. Because I'm getting email like this that says, I just wanted to clarify that it doesn't matter how many behind the terminal. No, you can have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 behind the terminal. For every tray that you have, 4 people. Or 4 different kids can be there, or, or a parent and 3 kids, or a parent and 4 kids, and you're playing with 1 kid in your lap or something. I don't know. But the idea is that if you had 2 combo kits, you could have up to 8 kids behind the terminal playing there, and say it's those 8 kids are from 5 different families, right? Fine. And then you charge each family $100. That's $500. You pay me $250. You pocket $250. That's the point. And what you'll see when you pay the $250 is you get in here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make this website super duper cool. It's going to have all kind of great stuff back here for you guys. It'll have PDFs. Right now, I don't want to choke it because everybody, I'm kind of drip feeding the information because people always get overwhelmed if I put too much stuff up at once. So soon I'm going to have some links to different password protected pages that you can go to and look over the information there. And then I put some information here that is free. Lots of this, like this is free. You can find it on the internet. I'm just aggregating it. I'm putting it all in one place so that it's all there in one place for you to get to easily. And intermingled in that is information that you can't get anywhere else. Like this video series right here, the only place that you're going to get this information, probably on the entire internet, when it comes to mathematics is for me. This is neuro-linguistic programming, but it's neuro-linguistic programming when it comes to mathematics and using base 10 blocks. And then this is another one you can get for free, but it's a very excellent series from Mike Maloney, and 7 video series. They're about a half hour each, and like I said, beats watching Netflix. And then I have all these people that want to join the group. Well, if you want to join the group, all you have to do is pay me, and then we're going to have to do a little bit of housekeeping and figure out who wants to go where. So if we have 16 people, we could have like 9 and 7, or 8 and 8, or maybe it's going to be, I don't know, 9 and 7, like I said, or maybe it's going to, I don't know, whatever combinations for 16 you can get, but into 2 terminals. And being that it's 16, and I said the quorum was 5, we could do 2 sets of 5 and 1 10, or excuse me, and 1 6, which would be 10 and 6. So we could have 3 if we need to, because I said I'll do sets of 5. So if we have 16, we could do 3 hours here. I'm happy to. I don't mind. We could do groups of 2, whatever. I had some questions. People were like, what do all these arcane symbols mean on your Instagram page? Well, I will go and do a couple of videos on these also. People have asked me about, could I talk about some of these pictures? Okay, I'll do that too. What else? I'm just shotgunning all the different questions and so forth I've gotten. What's this? Oh, so this is the Curious Connors Compendium. What I'm in the process of doing is updating my website, stuff you don't see. So now you'll notice this button has changed. It used to look like this. I couldn't figure out where people were ordering my lifetime password, because if you went over here, the lifetime option was killed, and I didn't realize that I had other buttons out there, and people were sneaking in with the lifetime password. It was funny. But anyway, this is all changed. None of this is good, and when I refresh, this page is gone. And also, the Curious Counters Compendium is no longer $4.99; it's $19.99, the way it should be. And the printable version of Supremely Simple Subtraction, $9.99. Divinely Dandy Non-Difficult Division, $19.99. And I'm going to build a page for it that looks like this, so you can order it. I don't have one, and I'll build one like this shortly. Please put some comments here. Look at this, 5 people, pretty weak. I have lots and lots and lots of people that ordered the Curious Counters Compendium. It would be nice if you, and I know you put comments elsewhere on the other places, put them here too, please. That way it doesn't look like it's me trying to sell the book. Okay, so I'm also going to do this where I make a PDFs page that has all of my PDFs there that you can get for $39.95. So you can get, because if you total up the printable versions that I just went through, that would work out to be $50, right? 20, 20, and 30. So for $39.95, you will save, or $39.99, you'll save $10 off of the price. And I'm going to put a whole bunch more than just those 3 PDFs there. There'll be this one and all these other PDFs that I built, to go along with the subtraction, and a whole lot more than this, like I said, because there's a whole bunch of free PDFs, and I'll just have them all in one place. So you'll click the link, and then you'll go directly to a PDF like this. So here's some fraction worksheet, and then not only that, I will put some videos on the page that shows you how to use the fraction worksheet, or what to do with the worksheet, and so on, so we can play. But I mean, I have quite a few. Yeah, there you go. I have quite a few different worksheets on the page, and then you just need to know how to use the worksheet that's on the page. And I'll make some videos for that coming up, and it'll all be in one place on this fraction, or on this PDFs page. And for you people that have a lifetime pass, it'll only be like $10. Right? $39.95 for those that don't have a lifetime pass, and just $10 if you do. And if you've already paid for the Divinely Dandy Non-Difficult Division, it'll be free. Okay, so let's see. I think that pretty much covers everything. Go over here to, yeah, I have new training material on the password protected teacher training page at the House of Math. And then coming up, I'm going to do more on the unit circle, because it comes to my attention that one of the problems that we're having, seeing it's because it's right in front of me all the time and I just take it for granted, one of your problems, one of the students' problems, is that where are the lines? They don't realize that these are triangles. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. This isn't just a point on it. These are triangles. And of course, this and this make up that point. Here's my x coordinate. Here's my y coordinate. But this is being lost, because if you look at all of these, you don't see these triangles. They don't understand that this is a triangle. These lines are being left out. Look, all of these, they don't have the lines. And when they do, they make them all complicated by throwing in the secants and the tangents and so forth. So when they do see this, it becomes confusing, instead of just understanding, look, it's just a triangle. It's just these triangles, 3 triangles, right? And see how when they put it in there, they make it confusing? And so they don't understand that all this is triangles put on a unit circle. We're supposed to be organizing our thought, not obfuscating our thought. So look, there's 1 here, but for the most part, you don't see that. For the most part, what you see is it's confusing, and that it cannot make the relation to the point, or to the idea that these are triangles, and that those coordinates are the length and the 2 legs of the triangles. So you get, and even here, look, you get 2 of them, but you don't see the 3rd one, which is the 45. So you get the special triangle, which is the 30, 60, 90, but you don't see the 45. So anyway, I'm going to make a video about that coming up. But the point being here, guys, is that we have more than enough to make 2 or 3 groups now, because I have 8 people that want to join and 8 people that are already in the group. But I think the thing is that not all 8 of these people actually need to pay me. I think some of these people are part of other groups, and I just need to know what groups you're in. It's just somebody needs to send me an email and say, oh, so-and-so is in our group, and then I will approve you. If not, then you're not going to get approved until you send me $250 PayPal. Please send it friends and family instead of goods and services, so that I don't have to pay them their PayPal fees. And get it to me, and we start Monday at 10 o'clock is going to be the time. 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 7 o'clock Hawaiian Time. What is that? So that's going to be, and then that's the first class, and if we're going to do a second class, then we need to figure out when that second class is, and then we need to figure out, or if we can even put in a third class, like I said. So, because if I get 16 people, all 8 of these people plus the other 8, that's 16. We could do 5, 5, and 6, or something like that. So we could actually do 3 if you guys wanted. So somebody needs to just let me know, or we need to have a little powwow with all you people at one time and figure out when is going to be a good time to do this. I can handle, I'm not worried about handling 10 different terminals at a time with 10 disparate age groups and people behind it. That's not the problem. The technology is the problem. I can only put 10 different people on at once. I would love to be able to do, we'd have to install another program, and I might do a little tutorial in here about that called UVO, and then we could do more than 10 at a time all at once, but you all have to install that program and get it up and running before we do that. It's just, and that's just a conference calling software, video conference calling software, and it's easy to install and it's free. So we could do that at some time in the future, but for now, let's just use Google for free, 10 different terminals at a time, and that's what I mean. It's not location, it's terminals. So if you have a location and you want to have 3 different terminals, you're going to have 3 different slots on the Google chat, and you're going to pay 3 different times, even if you're all at the same location. But if you're behind one terminal at that location, then you only pay once. Also, to be clear, know if you have 5 different people coming behind one terminal and all 5 of you put up 10 posts each, not all of you are going to get $50. It's $50 per terminal, not $50 per person. You guys crack me up. Wouldn't that be awesome? You could actually, that'd be paying you to come to learn math. Let's see. I think that pretty much covers it. I'm pretty excited about this, actually. It's going to be a fun time, I'm telling you. We're going to have a great time. Look forward to today. I will be making videos throughout the day. One on, I'm going to be making one on dollar cost averaging. So show you how you can make money even in a stock where it's plummeting like this, and you only get back like, anyway, assuming you can, even if you bought here and managed to sell it here, you could make a lot of money if you knew what you were doing, if you understood some mathematics. I'll make a video about that. That's called dollar cost averaging. And I was watching this stock today. Look at this. And it is up just today. This stock is up quite a bit. I can't read it. The numbers are, get out of there. The numbers are too small. I can't see the percentage. I'll tell you what, let's go here. 50%. This stock is up 50% today. Unbelievable. Yep. It went up by half today. If you put $1,000 in this morning, you would have had, and these are the kind of stocks I like to pick, you would have had $1,500 now. So, yeah, that's a excellent stock to invest in. Let's see, you pick it, and can you see that these are lower lows, or excuse me, these are higher lows and higher highs. It is on the move. So you would expect now that this run will go somewhere up like this and probably come back, and then it'll keep doing that. You can see this, how this is. Anyway, it's just show you how to take advantage of stocks like this, even if you miss it and you wind up here, buying starting here, and then it winds up crashing. you can actually make more money this way than not. Anyway, so I'm gonna make a video about that. I think I covered everything in here in this video for you. Crewton Ramones, houseofmath.com for more. Summer camp's going to be awesome. You're going to learn a ton of mathematics and algebra. And like I said, if you want to get into this group, I'm going to be putting lots more videos, not just like this, because this is just a news and information video, but actual videos with teaching and training in there for you. Some of it will wind up on the parent-teacher training page, like this wound up on the parent-teacher training page, but that's the only thing so far from this all of the content that I put here that has. I'll probably put a little bit more there, but there'll be lots of good information that you can only get here at the super duper secret summer math group. All right, Crewton Ramones, houseofmath.com for more.